birthday to you.
Hey loves, hi, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first episode of hashtag Electric 18. So if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, so I'm turning 18 on 16th of October. So I've started a birthday series in which I'll be posting 8 videos regularly, and I'll end the series by an amazing giveaway. So stay tuned for that. Also, I can see some new subscribers on my channel. So I thought no video can be better than a get to know me tag. So here I am with 33 crispy questions that would let you know me better. So without making this intro any longer, let's just get into this video.
Shall we start?
Yes, bring it on.
So starting with it, what's your nickname?
Okay, so my nickname goes like Nosh, Nusu, Nu, N, and anything that is smaller than Noshi.
What's your age?
I'm turning 18 on 16th of October.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student. I'm learning BA MMC Mass Media from Bhavans College, Andheri.
Are you a morning person or a night person?
Okay, so I feel I can be anything. I can be a morning hen or a night owl. I can manage both.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I do have a pug. I have a full-fledged video on her. Link will be here. You can tap and watch the full video.
What do you do when you are happy?
When I'm happy, I usually write, I sing, I dance, and do everything possible that makes me more happy.
Describe your aesthetic.
My aesthetic, greens, pastels, and marbles.
What's your guilty pleasure?
Having carbs like ice cream or Chinese food on the weekends or at midnight. I love it.
Any pet peeve?
Yes, I have a few. I get annoyed. Basically, I get annoyed when people drink or have tea or water like this. Then guys having big nails. Also, I hate when someone makes noise while eating, like it just annoys me. Yeah.
Top 3 things in your bucket list.
Bucket list? Okay, first one has to be a duo trip with my elder sister to Bali or Maldives. Second would be a night out with my friends, and third would be thrift flipping all day, all long. Don't worry, if I do, I'll make a vlog.
Any jewelry item you wear on daily basis?
Yes, I wear a cartoon inspired bracelet and a brass ring.
Do you have any hidden talent?
Oh yes, I have a hidden talent. I can touch my nose with my tongue. See this. That's my talent. Moving on.
Any book you've been reading lately, or is your current favorite book?
Yes, I'm obsessed with Good Vibes, Good Life by Bex King.
What are you horrible at?
Horrible at? I feel I'm horrible at cooking. I can't cook, but I can bake a yummiest mug cakes and cakes.
Something from your childhood you still have?
So I have 3 soft toys: Candy, Noddy, and Brownie. When I was just born and my sister was 2, I have it from then, and they are so cute, and I have a lot of memory with them. Also, my parents were so kind enough. They used to capture every moment when we were kids, and I have a lot of albums, and thank you to them. Like, they have everything stored.
If you would color your hair, what color would it be?
If I ever dye my hair, so it would be pink or blonde or brown or pastels or marble. Sorry, I'm joking. I would never ever color my hair. Never. I would never color my hair.
One TV show that inspires you the most?
TED Talks, anytime, anyday.
One inspirational quote you swear by?
Okay, so there are many, but one is, we'll find a way, we always have. If there's no way, we'll redraw the map. I swear by this quote. I love this.
Any dream destination?
Yes, I have one. I would love to live in New York. That's my ultimate dream destination.
What is the least and the most amount of takes for a YouTube video?
Okay, so the least is 2 and the maximum is 10. Yes, I fumble a lot. Also, I laugh at any point of time. Like, छोटी सी बात भी हो, so I laugh a lot. So yeah, that's why 10.
Are you a Starbucks person or a CCD person?
A McDonald's person? Will that work?
Yeah.
Because I have a staple order in McDonald's. I have their chicken kebab burger with a small cappuccino.
So moving on.
Yeah.
Which is that one song you would listen on loop?
It has to be Candy by Doja Cat. I love that song. Absolutely.
Do you believe in star alignation or astrology?
Yes. I am a firm believer in astrology, horoscope, stars, universe, everything.
Considering the previous question, what is your zodiac sign?
Okay, so I am an October baby. So in that sense, I am a Libra, Tula Rashi. I resonate a lot with Libran traits. So yeah.
Any relationship you've ever been into?
Next question.
What is your idea of a perfect date?
Okay, so according to me, the perfect date is under the sky with hell lot of stars and of course the love of your life.
Any compliment or rumor you've received?
Yes, I do receive a lot of compliments and rumors. One of them is I have the perfect lips according to my face, and people, my friends, my girlfriends, they love my lips, okay? And the rumor is I have done a Botox surgery for my lips. But no, it is natural, like perfect plumpy lips. It is natural. No surgeries.
What are you most grateful about?
So I am super grateful to have my parents, cause they are a true blessing in my life. They are the perfect parents that anyone could ever have. Yes. Absolutely good parents. I love them.
The best thing that has happened this year to you?
This year, okay, so very few things happened this year, but among them was I was certified with a state champion boxer and a national level player. So yeah, that was a good stuff that happened this year.
If not YouTube, what would you do?
Okay, so it will be a little too early to answer this question, but for the sake of this video, I'll answer it. I'm not a person who can do a 9-to-5 job and then come to home, eat and sleep. I'm rather a person who does something unique, something creative. I would love to do something which is unique, which is creative and matches my vibe perfectly. That's it.
Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Nothing is planned as such, but I feel I would love to see myself healthy by my mind, healthy by my pocket, smiling, happy, and do something what I love to do.
Who should everyone be subscribing or following right now?
So I feel everyone should be subscribing to Eram Entertainments, and that's my channel, because I feel every YouTuber wants that push, that support from their subscribers or their followers to keep making that good crispy content for you all. So I feel you should subscribe to my channel now. Yes, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, subscribe it.
Last but not the least, what would you like to say to your subscribers?
Okay. So first of all, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, watching each and every video, liking it, commenting on it. I am so grateful to have each one of you, and please stick by my side. I would love to entertain you every week. I am a little inconsistent with my videos, but I promise I would be consistent. So keep showering your love by liking this video, subscribing to my channel, comment, sharing, and everything possible. That really makes me happy, grateful. So yeah guys, those were all the 33 questions for today's video. I really hope that you liked the video, and if you have did so, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification button to get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And I'll meet you tomorrow with a crispy new video. Until then, XO.